Guys, this pattern is everywhere you're gonna look at. So if you catch it, again, this is easy top moment in the market where you can just focus on one pattern and it's gonna pay you again, and again. So in this video, we're gonna talk about Children's Place, PLCE, guys. Some of you may not be familiar with the stock, but it's a retail stock. And well, what a shocker, right? The stock goes from 10 bucks to $40 almost on week retail sales number. But the fact that the stock had this meteoric rise today, it's got nothing to do with the retail sales number. Apparently, there's a chance somebody may buy this company. Okay, so that's the only reason why it's up. Not so long ago, it was like under 10 bucks because it was on the verge. Like literally, this is how crazy this shit is. 3 days ago, it was possibly looking at filing for bankruptcy, and the stock was like sub 10 bucks. And today, it's like sub 40. So what the fuck has changed? Nothing besides a possibility of another company buying this one out. But who would want to fucking do it, right? In conditions where, I mean, this stock's got some major issues. And it used to be one of my favorite shorts when it used to trade. Like, can you imagine this shit right here? It used to trade at 140, 150 bucks, and it would be announcing earnings, and it would just not drop, or it would drop like 5 bucks and then go up by 20. I mean, the life is over for this business. It's done. You know, Children's Place, what do they sell? Some shoes for kids. I mean, this is not AI, unless, you know, they went and posted some news somewhere that I don't know about. Hey, Children's Place is now in AI stock, so shit goes from 10 to 40. Some wild like that. Look, this kind of moves, guys, they are happening right about very close to when the market is about to make some major collapses. At least that's what we know in the history. You got a stock on the verge of bankruptcy that goes 4x within one trading session. Okay, I mean, this is some fucking serious shit to be paying attention to. So, and clearly, if you were here, well, we send you, if you were trading with me today, I caught this when it was like 22, 24, but it was going up so fast, so we got into some calls. The stock was halted like 3 or 4 times, and then closer to this level, we went into some puts. But most of the times, guys, when someone's going to make this wild move, you're not even going to have time to get in. So your goal would be to take advantage of this pattern that I keep talking about, this pattern of shorting the bounces. Instead of chasing this on the call side, right, you're much better off waiting to short the bounce and make money on puts. Now, unfortunately, this is not this is not the biggest short of the day by no means, because options are overpriced on both directions now, on puts and calls. So this is not the kind of stock that you will be making a ton of money on if you trade in options. So we've got way better trades than this, but I had to highlight this stock because this is another bear sign. When something is making this kind of moves, when the stock was just on the verge of bankruptcy, and now you're seeing it doing this, guys, this is some wild shit. Okay, the market, like when I'm talking about the market collapse and the market crash and the market dropping, I mean, it's things like this that actually speak to the magnitude of what we're about to get. It's gonna get ugly. It's gonna be very ugly. And in the next video, we're gonna talk about some killer trades, a stock that cannot drop after it tripled. Okay, we got this kind of stuff that's happened in the market, so don't miss the next video. But PLC, guys, the train is gone. You could have caught both sides of the equation if you traded with the 13 Market Moves coach, or at the very least, you would have been able to nail the top entry close to the top within a couple of dollars off the top here, and you would have been able to profit on the put side. That's a fact. So don't miss out opportunities like that. That was not on our list, but I was watching it early and was able to get some of the traders in. But you have to be fast, right? So when you sign up to trade with 13 Market Moves coach, guys, you got to be lightning fast, because if you just hesitated here, for like a couple of seconds, the trade is gone because it was moving this lightning fast. And before you would probably put in the trade, oh shit, it's on hold, your trade wouldn't be going through. So you got to be super, super fast. You got to be ready to trade when something is moving fast. So if you want to learn how to do that, you come to 13 Market Moves, visit 13mmtv.com, get familiar with our course curriculum, and sign up to trade with a coach to cut your learning curve. So many killer trades are in the making today, means you can enter in these trades today. And I'm not talking about Plce at this moment. I'm talking about other trades that are topping like this, but it's not yet obvious to the rest of the market participants that the next thing they're going to be doing is this. So I strongly encourage anyone trading the markets to give us a call today, and we'll share with you what are those trades that are about to set a ultimate top today on February 15th, guys. Don't miss those golden opportunities. Let's roll. I'll see you in the next video soon.